Hello friends, today's topic is about who is better, Karna or Arjuna. What do you think, Karna or Arjuna is better? Most of you will tell Arjuna, most of you tell Karna. If we see physically, Karna is better. If we see skill, Arjuna is better. Still, power of Karna come from the divine source of Kavacha, which is gifted from his father Surya. If we see about Arjuna, power come from his own skills and the friendship with Krishna. It doesn't give any power to him, but still, what I think is whoever is great, it might be Karna or it might be Arjuna. Let's ask our digital medias like ChatGPT and Google. Now you can see that what is Google is telling that what I told still now. And if we ask ChatGPT, it will tell that Arjuna is better. What I think is if according to Indian mythology, Hindu mythology, Karna's Kavacha would take 1,000 years to solve, like decode. If we want to destroy Karna's Kavacha, it takes 1,000 years. So Indra made a plan and took Karna's Kavacha. Now the matter is not who is greater. We have to learn from them. Whether Karna is greater, whether Arjuna is greater, we have to learn from our ancestors and elders. Krishna made Mahabharata to learn something from that, to adapt some good futures to our life with Mahabharata, or else Krishna single-handedly will be solos all the warriors in Mahabharata. Why he doesn't means he wants to teach us something. That's why Karna scripted this all. Let's think as an atheist. Um, no God in this world. Let's think like that. When a great psychologist and a great poet is in one body, he will become the poet of Mahabharata, and he wrote a story which is very needed to human life, and we have to adapt the futures in it. So I would like to say that we have to learn something better from Karna and Arjuna. Should not compare each other. Thank you for all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.